Hey there, market enthusiasts. Today we're diving into some intriguing developments in the financial world. You might have noticed some shifts in the S&P 500 futures, and it's all tied to the delicate dance between the US and Iran over the Strait of Hormuz. But let's start with a bit of a twist. Imagine you're a trader on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. You're witnessing a fascinating interplay of global politics and market sentiment. The S&P 500 futures took a slight dip, and here's the kicker, it's because the US and Iran might not be as close to a deal as we thought. You see, the Strait of Hormuz is a critical choke point for global oil supply, and any tension there sends shockwaves through the markets. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Just a few days ago, Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent hinted at an imminent deal, sending a wave of optimism through the markets. But, in a classic Trump move, the president revealed they're only semi-negotiating with Iran. This is a masterclass in strategic ambiguity, folks. It keeps Iran on its toes and the markets guessing. What many people don't realize is that this isn't just about oil prices. It's about the broader geopolitical chess game. The US wants to exert economic pressure, and Iran is playing its cards close to the chest. This uncertainty is like a roller coaster ride for investors. And let's not forget the broader context. The major indexes just had their best weeks since April, with the S&P 500 hitting an all-time closing record. But this dip in futures is a reminder that global events can quickly shift the market's trajectory. It's a delicate balance between optimism and reality. Now, let's talk about the Federal. The July jobs report surprised everyone with a contraction, which might just save us from an interest rate hike. But here's the catch, a weaker job market could also signal a slowing economy. It's a double-edged sword. Investors are left wondering if the Fed will step in, and the Fed funds futures traders are keeping a close eye on every move. Personally, I find this tension between economic indicators and market sentiment fascinating. It's like a high-stakes game of chess where each move is scrutinized. And with earnings reports from consumer and tech companies on the horizon, the market's attention will be split between global politics and corporate performance. In conclusion, the markets are a reflection of our complex world. They react to every whisper of geopolitical tension and economic shift. So, as we watch the S&P 500 futures and oil prices dance to the tune of international relations, remember that every dip and rise tells a story. That's the beauty and complexity of the financial world. Stay tuned, because this story is far from over.